How do I know if I picked a good niche? You know if you picked a good niche if there's a bunch of other people making money in it. Like people have this false idea of, oh, there's so many people doing this, it must be saturated. If it's saturated, that means there's money being made because the way the world works is we're going to find something that's making money and we're going to keep doing it, doing it, doing it until it doesn't work anymore. So if you see a niche that's actually making a lot of money and it seems very popular, it's probably going to be a good niche. If you're not making any money within the niche, it's probably because you don't actually know what you're offering and it's not answering an actual problem that that niche is having. So as long as you're using your brain and seeing like, okay, a lot of people are doing this, here's how I can make it a little bit better. So find what works and tweak it a little bit, you're going to be fine. And if that niche still isn't working for you, then move to another niche. A lot of you get married to this idea of one skill, one niche, and that's it. It's okay to change skills. It's okay to change niches after you've already put in the adequate time of testing it and testing it and testing. No, I don't mean you've been doing it for a week and that means everything's fucked. No, put in a month, put in 2 months and see if your skill set's good, you're actually putting together a good offer, you're actually answering certain issues that that niche has. And if so, then you're probably going to make money. But if you're still not making money, then move on to another niche. And the next question I know some of you are thinking is, well, how do I pick the niche? The way you pick the niche is, what are you already interested in? Are you interested in crypto? Are you interested in financial advice? Are you interested in making money? Are you interested in personal development? Are you interested in real estate? Are you interested in some form of accounting? Whatever. Those are niches that I would go after. If I was trying to target, and I've talked about this a billion times in videos, if I was trying to go after the pickup artist community, I would not be good at that because I'm not interested in that. I've never had issues getting girls. I don't know all the terminology. I don't know any of that stuff. So I'm just not going to work with those types of people. On the other hand, I'll work with crypto people all day. I'll work with people that are selling their coaching services all day. Like I can do that type of stuff. So start from a niche standpoint with things that you're already naturally interested in, like things that you consume on a day-to-day basis on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, whatever.